Setting up camp. Getting ready to put the dab tent up. The party tent. There's my rig hiding in the background. And Kim's rig. Jason's rig. Britt's rig. Melody. Jim and Ange. Shelby. Hi.
Connected without my phone.
It's the dab tent. Salad.
Wow.
Chicken cacciatore.
Yummy, yummy.
Stirred some garlic and onions. Now celery. This swirl. Smells good. Some carrots. Little mere paw going on. Getting ready for the big potluck. I'm making ambrosia salad. Kim is bringing Cool Whip, marshmallows, pineapple, peaches, coconut, chia seeds, and what else? Banana, apple, lemon juice, fruit cocktail. So pears, peaches. No, it's okay.
You gonna carry that pipe?
Going to the potluck. Center camp. Some veggies. I'm not sure what's under that foil, but some good fruit. Salads and broccoli casserole and yummy cauliflower chickpea curry. Oh, I'm having some of that. Some people made some vegan stuff. Hi Melody, she's cutting the bread for us. And this is the dessert. This is my ambrosia. And what else do we have? This is homemade fudge from the hosts and hostesses. And Ghislaine made these yummy morsels and these peanut butter cookies. And I'm looking.
We are.
Yay, Melody and Dina put together the potluck.
I know that. I can say.
Bon appetit. Got the ambrosia, the ham from Kemna, and then Jim and Angela made that. And there's some good meat. And then I got some cauliflower curry and some garlic bread.
Biggest joint ever.
So now
Good for you.
I got some. You don't have to bring it over.
Mmm.
Dogs don't have the good sense not to look straight into the sun.
Yep, it's ready. Here at Gypsy Minstral Caravan, making some french fries for Din Din. I'm going to take them to the campfire and put them with some bang bang shrimp.
No, this but it's
To fill the air. Up and getting ready to go to the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Please remember to comment and like, and if you would be a dear, please subscribe. Bless your heart.